Dear learners, welcome to today's session. We will discuss an important topic, parent-professional partnership, with reference to role of parents, peers, professionals, teachers, and school. Please watch the entire video carefully and take notes of the key points. At the end of the session, you'll find multiple choice questions to help reinforce your understanding. Let us understand. Parent professional partnership. Inclusive education is not the sole responsibility of teachers or schools, it is a collaborative effort involving parents, peers, professionals, and the entire educational ecosystem. A strong parent professional partnership ensures that children with diverse learning needs receive the support, attention, and care necessary for their holistic development. The success of inclusive education relies on a multi stakeholder approach. When parents, peers, professionals, teachers, and schools work together in harmony, it creates a supportive and empowering environment for every child to thrive, regardless of ability. This partnership not only strengthens educational outcomes but also builds a more compassionate and equitable society. Role of parents in inclusive education. Parents are the first educators and play a pivotal role in a child's development. Their involvement in inclusive education is essential for continuity, consistency, and emotional support. Active involvement. Parents provide insights into the child's abilities, challenges, interests, and needs. Support at home. They reinforce learning at home and help in behavior management and emotional regulation. Advocacy. Parents advocate for their child's rights and ensure they receive appropriate services and accommodations. Collaboration. They participate in individualized education plan, IEP, meetings and collaborate with teachers and specialists to track progress. Role of peers in inclusive education. Peers can significantly influence the social and emotional development of children with special needs. Social acceptance, encouraging peer interaction promotes friendship, empathy, and mutual respect. Buddy systems, involving peers in buddy systems helps learners with special needs feel included and supported. Model behavior. Peers model appropriate classroom behavior, language, and social skills. Peer tutoring. Students can support each other academically through structured peer tutoring programs. Role of professionals in inclusive education. Professionals bring specialized knowledge and services to support learners with diverse needs. Special educators provide individualized instruction, design adaptations, and monitor progress. Speech therapists, occupational therapists, psychologists offer therapeutic interventions tailored to the learner's needs. Counselors help in addressing emotional and behavioral issues through guidance and counseling. Medical professionals contribute to diagnosis, medication management, and monitoring physical or cognitive conditions. Role of teachers in inclusive education. Teachers are the facilitators of inclusive practices in the classroom. Differentiated instruction. Teachers adapt content, pedagogy, and assessments to meet diverse needs. Classroom management. They create a positive, respectful, and inclusive learning environment. Collaborative planning. Teachers work with professionals and parents to implement IEPs and accommodations. Continuous professional development. Teachers stay updated with inclusive strategies and technologies. Role of the school in inclusive education. The school environment must support the philosophy of inclusion at all levels, policy, practice, and culture. Inclusive policies. Develop and implement policies that uphold the rights and dignity of all learners. Infrastructure. Ensure physical accessibility, assistive technology, and learning aids. Teacher training. Provide regular training and capacity building for inclusive practices. Awareness programs. Promote inclusion through seminars, workshops, and campaigns. Monitoring and evaluation. Continuously evaluate the effectiveness of inclusive practices and make necessary improvements. Dear viewers, let's solve some important multiple choice questions based on the presentation. 1. Who plays the role of the first educator in a child's life? A. Teacher. B. Peer. C. Parent. D. Counselor. 2. What is the purpose of an individualized education plan, IEP? A. To assign homework. B. To track a student's attendance. C. To provide a customized learning approach for students with special needs. D. To discipline students. 3. Which of the following is a role of peers in inclusive education? A. Conducting assessments. B. Writing lesson plans. C. Promoting social acceptance and empathy. D. Making classroom rules. 4. Which professional is responsible for helping students with communication difficulties? A. Occupational therapist. B. Special educator. C. Speech therapist. D. Psychologist. 5. Who typically collaborates with teachers and parents to develop and implement the IEP? A. Peers. B. School principal. C. Special educator. D. Librarian. 6. Peer tutoring is helpful in A. Discipline management. B. Administrative work. C. Academic support for students with special needs. D. Making timetables. 7. Which of the following is a teacher's responsibility in inclusive education? A. Medical assessment. B. Providing counseling services. C. Adapting instruction for diverse learners. D. Managing school finances. 8. What role do parents play in inclusive education? A. Curriculum design. B. Emotional support and advocacy. C. Hiring school staff. D. Conducting exams. 9. What is the key feature of inclusive classrooms? A. Uniform teaching for all. B. Selective admission of students. C. Collaboration among stakeholders. D. Exclusive facilities for special students only. 10. Who can best support a student emotionally and socially during school hours? A. Parent. B. Peer. C. Psychologist. D. Doctor. 11. An inclusive school should focus on A. Competitive rankings only. B. Exclusive academic achievement. C. Holistic development of every student. D. Segregation of learners. 12. Professionals like occupational therapists help with A. Teaching history. B. Physical and motor development. C. Setting exam papers. D. Delivering online lectures. 13. Teachers should engage in what for improving inclusive practices? A. Classroom decoration. B. Continuous professional development. C. Fee collection. D. Punishment planning. 14. Which of the following promotes awareness and inclusion in schools? A. Regular exams. B. Awareness programs and workshops. C. Extra homework. D. Reducing syllabus. Thank you, don't miss out. Subscribe now to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, for insightful content and valuable resources.